Okay guys, in this video tutorial we will learn that how we can use the assignment operator within the MATLAB. In all other languages like C, Python or Java, usually is equal to sign is considered as the assignment operator because on one side of this assignment operator or the sign of equality we need to write the variable, and here variable is usually or always you can say that an alphabet or any word like A, B, C or anything like that. Then there is an equality operator or assignment operator, and now we can write like 18. So here we can see that now 18 is assigned to the variable A, or simply assignment means the storing of variable that is 18 into the A, or assigning the value 18 to the variable A. Okay, then we will write class of A. So in order to find it what type of data A contains, when we will enter, it will tell us it is double, because double contains both the decimal, integer and float type data types. Like it can be 1 2 3 or like 34 or any number, and also like 9.8, like it can contain some sort of decimal in it. Now we will write same A is equal to this, and we will write welcome. So what it means, now welcome is actually a string or character array. So you need to learn that MATLAB will auto assign the data type, that is the class of A will give us the character. Why it is so? Because it is not the integer or numeric or decimal type data type, it is the character array. So that is why MATLAB is giving us the char or character. Again, if you want to write A is equal to unsigned integer 8 of 4, then here obviously A is now containing 4 due to this assignment operator, but here we have written the class of A and it will be unsigned integer 8-bit. So you can also write unsigned integer 32, or you can also use some sort of logical data type like A is equal to logical 0. So logical mean either it contains 0 or 1. So we will, if we will write class of A, like if you want to find the type of data in A or data type of A, so it is giving us logical. So hopefully you got the concept about the assignment operator within the MATLAB. So thanks for watching.